In this video, I will show you how to create a new folder in a Windows 11 laptop. So guys, if you are using Windows 11, Windows 10, laptop, PC or desktop, also you are using Chromebook, method is same. You can create a folder easily. So right click any empty area, move cursor to new and select folder. So you have this folder. Now default name is new folder. You can type your name. So right click and click this rename option. You can use shortcut F2 to rename any folder. Now type your name. Now you can keep your folder anywhere on your desktop. Also guys, you can create a new folder inside a folder. Like we created this folder. Now open it. Here you can keep any file which you want to. And also guys, you can create a folder in this one. So same, click this new and select folder. Now give any name here like subfolder. Also you can create a folder in this one. You can create as many folder as you need. There is no limit to create folders in Microsoft Windows. Also guys, same method if you are using the OS. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you or not.